Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is for slow cooker candy cane white hot chocolate. Kind of hard for me to say, but you're going to start by taking about 8 candy canes, taking the wrappers off of it, and you're going to crush it up. So I don't have a blender, so I'm just going to put all of mine in a Ziploc bag, close it, and I was just hitting it on the counter and that worked pretty well. You don't have to have them like completely pulverized because the heat in the crock pot will kind of melt them. So just make them kind of smallish. And then you could also make more for topping as well. So I'm going to add those to my crock pot along with a 1/2 gallon of milk, which is approximately 8 cups. And then I used 2 of these Ghiridelli white chocolate baking bars. So I'm going to add 2 in there. I did break them up just so they can kind of melt easier. And since it's an off-white color, you will notice that in the white chocolate. So it looks kind of weird at first, but it tastes delicious. It's just the way that the chocolate is colored. Jackson's my baking assistant and kept splashing milk everywhere. So once we had both bars in there, also added a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and put the lid on it. I checked on it in about 30 minutes. It was starting to melt, but it wasn't quite ready. I had it, I think, on low for 30 minutes. And then I ended up turning it on high, checked back in another 30 minutes, and it was all melted. You could kind of see it looks a little pink, but then if you let it set for a minute, you can see the off-white color from the chocolate. So just mix it really well when you're serving it. And then you can top it with whipped cream and sprinkle it with some more of the peppermints. And this was really good. It wasn't overly pepperminty, but it was just really delicious. And it makes a lot. So if you're having a party or for Christmas morning or something like that. So if you try this out, let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.